Civic VTI 1998 Civic lovers' dream car, genuine condition. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today's car is something special, especially for true Civic lovers. Presenting a beautiful and well-maintained Honda Civic VTI 1998 model. A car that still holds its charm, performance, and strong road presence. If you love classic Honda cars and want a stylish, reliable, and powerful sedan, then this vehicle is definitely worth watching. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Let's start with the introduction. This is a Honda Civic VTI 1600 cubic centimeters, model 1998. The VTI variant is known for its powerful engine, smooth driving experience, and premium feel compared to standard models. Even today, this generation of Civic is loved by car enthusiasts because of its performance and classic sporty design. Now let's talk about the condition of this car. This Civic is in new-like condition, showing how carefully it has been maintained. The car gives a very fresh and clean appearance, making it stand out among vehicles of the same model year. Talking about the exterior, the car has a paper shower done only for a fresh and clean look. There is no accidental history or major repair work. The body structure remains strong and properly maintained, giving the car a neat and attractive appearance. One of the biggest highlights of this car is that the interior is completely genuine. The originality of the interior is always a major factor when buying a used car, and this Civic maintains its genuine cabin condition. Seats, dashboard, panels, and flooring all reflect careful usage and proper maintenance. Now moving towards comfort features. The car comes with a chilled air conditioning system, often known as child AC, which works perfectly and provides excellent cooling. This feature is very important considering Pakistan's weather, and it ensures comfortable driving in summer. Another attractive feature installed in this car is HRD lights, which enhance visibility during night driving and also improve the overall appearance of the vehicle. Talking about tires, the car comes with brand new tires installed, which is a big advantage for the new owner. New tires improve road grip, safety, and overall driving comfort, and also save additional expense after purchase. Under the hood, this Civic comes with its original and powerful 1600 cubic centimeters engine, which is known for strong performance and smooth driving. The engine is running perfectly with no smoke, no unusual sounds, and no mechanical issues. It delivers excellent power and reliability, which is why this model is still popular among Honda fans. The suspension of the car is in good condition and provides a comfortable and stable ride. The car handles road bumps easily and gives a smooth driving experience both in city and highway driving. Another important feature is that this vehicle is running on both CNG and petrol, giving the owner flexibility and better fuel economy options according to usage needs. All documentation and ownership transfer facilities are available, including biometric verification, which makes the transfer process easy and secure for the buyer. This car is especially ideal for those who appreciate classic Civic models and want a stylish, reliable, and budget-friendly sedan. Now coming to the price. The demand for this beautiful Honda Civic VTI 1998 is 13,50,000. The car is available at Ansari Motors, Tando Jam, and serious buyers can visit the location for inspection and further details. If you are a true Civic lover looking for a well-maintained and genuine car, this is a great opportunity for you. If you like this car and want to see more clean and genuine vehicles, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.